Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli, and today's video we're reviewing, as promised, the afterglow prismatic controller. Now what this controller does, basically it changes color. As you can see, it just changes color even on the box, which is really cool. This is the old version of the box. There's a newer version, I believe it's white, and it's very useful. This controller retails for, I believe, $40 or $50. I honestly 100% recommend it, because not only is it a wired controller, it also glows up, it has back buttons, and it has a dual rumble, dual texture on the analog sticks. It has the party features, a mute button, 3.5mm headset jack, as I said, programmable buttons, has a detachable 10-foot cable, and there's an app for it which you can program everything on this controller. You can remap buttons, you can change the color. There's a secret color, and not a lot of people know it, but it's white color, which you can't get it by just changing the color or by pressing the back button and then just turning the analog stick. You actually have to download the app in order to get the secret color, and then you just program it to whatever profile. Yeah, and it is a 10-foot cable. My my blue one that I unboxed in the past, about a week ago or something like that, this one is an 8-foot cable, not that long, but now we have 2 extra cables, which is pretty cool. But anyway, I do play with this one a lot, and this one I use at nights, as I said before in the previous video. This one I use for Cuphead, or any, I guess, come over, they can use this one. I like this one a lot because it has a really good texture. This one is glossy, but this is the only downfall to this one. It's just, it's too glossy. This one, it's kind of glossy on the top. And no, it's just right here. Just right here it's glossy. But this one, the whole top is glossy, but it's nice that it's see-through and stuff. Same for this one, it's see-through, and there's a little blue outline if you get light to shine on it. Really cool. So anyway, I highly recommend getting this controller. As you can see, the specs in the back, if you didn't see the box. Now, as I said, I got this day of release, or I don't know, I didn't say that, but I got this day of release. That's why it's the old version of the box. Now there is a white version, so go check that out. And there's a 2-year limited warranty. Mine already expired. And yeah, so hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and of course, you should share this video. Please, it'll help this channel out a lot. And yeah, so make sure you check out my other controller unboxing and review. This one was brand new. I unboxed it even on the channel, which is really cool. Make sure you like, comment, and of course do subscribe if you're new in here, because it only takes 5 seconds to do so. And I'll see you guys in the next review.